Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you a simplified version of the song San Francisco Bay Blues by Eric Clapton. This song was recommended to me by Bruno. Thank you, Bruno, for your recommendation. Now if anybody else would have any song suggestions, just put them in the comment section down below and make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new tutorials. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started with this lesson.
Got the blues for my baby, left me by the San Francisco Bay. The ocean line has gone so far away. Didn't mean to treat her so bad. She was the best girl I ever had. She said goodbye, I can take a cry. I wanna lay down and die. I ain't got a nickel and I ain't got a lousy dime. If she don't come back, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. If she ever gets back to stay, it's gonna be another brand new day. Walking with my baby down by San Francisco Bay. Sitting down looking from the back door, wondering which way to go. The woman I'm so crazy about, she don't love me no more. Think I'll catch me a freight train, 'cause I'm feeling blue. Right all the way to the end of the line, thinking only of you. Meanwhile living in the city, just about to go insane. Thought I heard my baby's voice, the way she used to call my name. If she ever gets back to stay, it's gonna be another brand new day. Walking with my baby down by San Francisco Bay. Walking with my baby down by San Francisco Bay. Hey, walking with my baby down by San Francisco Bay.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website. Alright, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.